In this overview, I will show you how you can complete and manage applications to multiple schools online using ORCAS Mosaic. If a school is participating in our system, they will send you to our website where you should create an account. After you have created an account and added in your applying students, you will see an overview of the 6-step process for each applicant. In Step 1, you will select the schools you wish to apply to. In Steps 2 and 3, you will complete and submit your core application forms. This will include preliminary information and your application fee payment. In Steps 4 and 5, you will complete and submit your supplemental forms such as parent and student essays and teacher evaluation requests. Finally, Step 6 allows you to monitor the status of your application. Let's take a closer look at each step. In Step 1, you will be able to select any school that accepts applications for your student supply grade. When you press the Create Application button, ORCAS Mosaic will automatically add the correct forms for you to fill out in Steps 2 through 5. You may return to Step 1 to add additional schools at any time. If a school does not use ORCAS Mosaic for the core application, you can skip to Step 4 for that school. In Step 2, you will see a list of the core forms you need to complete. To help you manage the application process, ORCAS Mosaic displays for you the due dates of all the forms. The blue box icon indicates that a form is a common form. That is, it is a form that is shared by multiple schools. You will only need to fill the form out once for all participating schools. A red stop sign indicates that a form has not been completed. There are required questions that are still unanswered. As soon as you complete the final required field in a form, the form's status will change, and it is ready to submit. If you wish to print a form, use the Print Form button found at the bottom of the page. In Step 3, you will submit the core application forms to a school. You can submit them individually or all at once. A red stop sign means you are not ready to submit. Open the form status, and any unanswered required fields for a form will be listed. Once you click on the Select box, the Submit Application button will display. Clicking the Submit button will bring you to the credit card processing screen. You will know if you have successfully applied to a school if the status of your application is listed as paid/applied. In Step 4, you will see a list of your supplemental forms. You can start working on your supplemental forms even if you have submitted your core application in Step 3. Some supplemental forms are not filled out by you, but rather you delegate others to fill these out. One example of this would be the teacher evaluation form. To delegate a teacher evaluation form, enter the teacher's name and email. When you press the Add Delegate button, ORCAS Mosaic will send the teacher an email that contains a unique, secure link to the teacher evaluation form. Please make sure the teacher is expecting the evaluation request. If you should be in communication with a teacher who did not receive a sent request, you can resend that request. In Step 5, you will be able to select a school and submit your supplemental forms once all required fields for the forms have been answered and all the delegated forms have been delegated to the minimum number required. In Step 6, for some schools, you can monitor the progress of your applications. For these schools, you will see a green check as each form is reviewed and acknowledged. The application season is a very busy time for schools. Please give them ample time to process forms before contacting them about any unacknowledged forms. If you should need additional information, Support Center articles on each step can be accessed from our homepage Help buttons. Thank you for viewing our video on ORCAS Mosaic. If you have any questions about completing your applications, contact us at support@orcasmosaic.com.